welcome to Odoo 18. Now let's check the revamp in product view. Odoo 18 provides new checkboxes to make the product available in POS. And some of the checkboxes is just renamed as sales, purchase, and subscription. So when you just move on to the general information, here we can find that the product type is just simplified as goods, services, and combo. Goods represents the storable product, and it is also easy to track the inventory. In previous version, we know that the inventory can be tracked or can be managed under the inventory tab of the product menu. But in Odoo 18, it has just changed the position, and now we can just manage the settings of the tracking inventory under the general information based on the quantity, load number, and serial number. Now, when we talk about the units of measurement, we know we had two units of measurement, which is sales units of measurement and purchase units of measurement. Now it's just replaced, and it follows the sales price, and you can find it over here. No separate field can be found for the or field is set for the purchase UOM. Now the customer tax is just renamed as sales taxes, and vendor tax is just renamed as purchase taxes. In previous version, we can see that, or we know that the vendor tax were found under the purchase tab. Now it's been replaced or rearranged to the general information of the product menu. And as you just move on to the point of sale, earlier we have the option to set the choices, that is the combo choices over here. So here now we cannot find that. Now you can see that the purchase UOM is just renamed as purchase unit, and it is rearranged from the general information into the purchase tab, which is shown over here. Now let's consider the other product types that are services as well as combo. So let me choose the camera services over here, and under the general information you can see the product type as service, and as we just choose the product type as service, we can also plan the services for this. So if you want to plan a service for your service product, you can just enable this field and add the project over here. So that's a change that we can just newly find in Odoo 18. Now let's consider the other product type, which is combo. So here I'm going to choose the burger menu combo, and here you can choose the combo choices, and you can also set the sales price, where you cannot find any units of measurement for the product. And as you just move on to the point of sale, here you can see we have no further changes there, and under sales also you cannot find any extra changes there. So that's all about the revamp in the product view of Odoo 18, and thank you for watching the video.